Hello everyone, welcome back to Data Safari. In today's video, we will walk you through the essential element of Tableau interface and guide you on how to navigate the workspace effectively. When you first launch Tableau, you will be greeted by a clean and intuitive interface designed to simplify your data analysis tasks. At the top of the interface, you will find the menu bar where you can access various commands and features to manage your Tableau projects like file, edit, view, insert, etc. options. Now let's explore to the workspace, the central area where you will build your visualization and conduct your analysis. In the middle of the workspace, you have worksheets. These are the blank canvases where you can create visualization by dragging and dropping fields from your data onto the canvas. On the left side, you will see the data pane, which displays the data sources and fields available for data analysis. You can connect your data or import file directly into the Tableau through this option. As you drag fields onto the worksheet, they appear in the row and column shelves. You can rearrange and customize the arrangement of these shelves to organize your data effectively. Below the workspace, we have the dashboard option. This is where you can combine multiple worksheets into a single canvas to create interactive dashboard. In the top right corner, you will find Show Me panel. It offers a variety of visualization options and recommends the most suitable chart type based on your data. The marks card located on the left side allows you to customize the appearance of individual data points in your visualization. You can adjust colors, size, and levels. To provide context and explain the meaning of visual elements, you can use legends. Legends provide a clear key to interpret colors, shapes, and other elements in your visualization. Lastly, don't forget to utilize the toolbar at the top of the interface for quick access to frequently used actions like saving your works, refreshing data, and formatting options. With these tools and features, you will be able to navigate the Tableau interfaces and workspace with ease, empowering you to analyze and visualize your data effectively. Thank you for watching our Tableau interface and workspace tutorial. We hope this video has provided you a solid understanding of Tableau interface and how to make the most out of the workspace. If you have any further question, feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more Tableau tips and tutorials. Happy analyzing. Thank you.